Welcome to the best pick. The best toddler chairs is probably one of the most essential pieces of furniture you can add to your child's play area or your backyard, offering them a comfortable and dedicated space to relax, play, and explore the world around them. Imagine your little one having their very own cozy spot to read books, enjoy snacks, or simply observe their surroundings, fostering independence and a sense of belonging. These chairs are designed with safety, comfort, and durability in mind, ensuring they can withstand the energetic nature of toddlers while providing a secure and enjoyable seating experience for countless hours of fun and discovery. Number 5. OmniBoost Booster Seat with Tray. Introducing the OmniBoost Booster Seat, the perfect companion for mealtime adventures. Make feeding time easier and more enjoyable, wherever you go. This versatile seat features an adjustable tray that grows with your child. It's designed for convenience and comfort during every meal. Planning a trip? This booster seat is lightweight and portable, making it an ideal travel high chair. Enjoy stress-free dining on the go. Your baby's safety is our priority. The secure harness and stable design ensure they are comfortable and protected while seated. With its modern gray finish, it complements any decor. It's not just functional, but also stylish for your home and travels. Mealtime messes are no match for the seat. The surfaces are easy to wipe clean, saving you time and effort. What we like? This option is incredibly portable and can be used in various settings, from the dining table to outdoor adventures. Its easy-to-clean surface makes mealtime messes a breeze. If you need a flexible seating solution that grows with your child, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The chairs are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. Easy to assemble and clean, which is a huge plus for parents. My toddler loves sitting in them, they are the perfect size for him. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Sunny Patch Flex Octopus Kids Beach Chair. Get ready for beach days with this colorful and fun folding chair. It's designed just for kids, making outdoor adventures even more enjoyable. This chair features a handy cup holder for drinks and padded feet for extra stability. It also comes with a matching storage bag for easy transport. The cheerful Flex Octopus artwork and vibrant colors make this chair stand out. It's sure to be a hit with your little ones. Made with durable fabric, this chair is built to last through many seasons of fun. It's the perfect size for your child. We've made opening your new chair simple and eco-friendly. It comes in frustration-free packaging that's easy to open and curbside recyclable. What we like? Bring some playful charm to your outdoor excursions with this fun, character-themed chair. It comes with a convenient cup holder for drinks and folds up easily for transport. If you're heading to the beach or park and want a chair that's both functional and fun for your little one, this is a great pick. What people say? The chairs are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for toddlers. Easy to assemble and clean, which is a huge plus for parents. The bright colors are very appealing to children and add a fun touch to the backyard. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Cutie Pie Butterfly Folding Chair. Introducing the Cutie Pie Butterfly Folding Chair from Melissa and Doug. It's designed with a charming butterfly theme that kids will love. This outdoor chair is incredibly easy for children to open and close on their own. When not in use, it folds up neatly into its matching carry bag for simple storage. Keep drinks close at hand with the built-in cup holder. It's perfect for snacks and beverages during outdoor adventures. Whether for camping, picnics, or just relaxing in the backyard, this chair provides a comfortable spot for your little one. It's ideal for any outdoor activity. Looking for a special present? This foldable chair makes a fantastic gift for birthdays or holidays. Consider pairing it with our picnic set for an even bigger surprise. What we like? This chair is designed for ultimate convenience, opening and closing with ease for little hands. It includes a handy cup holder and a matching carry bag for simple transport. If you're looking for a user-friendly, portable chair for camping trips or backyard lounging, this is an excellent option. What people say? The chairs are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. My toddler loves sitting in these chairs, they are the perfect size for him. Easy to assemble and clean, which is a big plus for parents. Number 2. KidKraft Outdoor Wooden Chaise Lounge with Umbrella. Just like grown-up patio furniture, this kid-sized version is crafted from premium, durable wood. It's treated to repel water, ensuring it lasts through many outdoor adventures. Keep vulnerable skin and eyes shaded with the 3-sided canvas awning. You can even tie back the sides for a little breeze on warmer days. 2 built-in cup holders provide a safe spot for drinks or water bottles to stay put without spilling. There's also a hidden storage compartment for stashing toys or sunglasses. With side-by-side canvas cushions, 2 buddies can stretch out in style. It's recommended for ages 3 and up, with each seat holding up to 85 pounds. Designed for kids while keeping your aesthetics in mind, this furniture features colors and patterns that go with your backyard style. Assembly takes about 1 hour. What we like? This offers a more permanent and stylish outdoor seating solution, crafted from durable, water-repellent wood. The included umbrella provides essential sun protection, and it even features 2 seats for sharing. If you desire a charming, long-lasting piece of backyard furniture that offers shade and comfort for your children, this is the one. What people say. The chairs are the perfect size for toddlers. They are very sturdy and well-made. The bright colors are very appealing to children. Number 1. Costzon Mint Green Kids Table and 2 Chairs Set. Crafted from high-quality steel, this set is built to withstand years of use, supporting up to 220 pounds. Its smooth surface makes cleaning a breeze. With stable steel legs and protective rubber cups, it offers excellent support and prevents floor damage. The adjustable feet ensure stability on any surface. Rounded corners on the table and chairs ensure your child's safety. The chair's backrest is designed for optimal comfort and support. Its sleek, modern design in a lovely mint green complements any room. It's perfect for playrooms, bedrooms, or even preschool settings. This set comes with 2 fully assembled chairs, perfect for playdates. The chairs are stackable, making storage simple and space-efficient. What we like? This set provides a sturdy and safe environment for your children's activities, with a durable steel frame and rounded corners for added safety. The chairs are stackable, making storage a breeze. If you need a reliable and space-saving furniture set for a playroom, classroom, or outdoor area, this is a practical and stylish choice. What people say. The chairs are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor use. Easy to assemble and clean, which is a huge plus for parents. The bright colors are attractive to toddlers and they love sitting in them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.